Have you got one of these like I do? The infamous FJ Cruiser. You want to protect it. You want to keep it. You want to keep your eyes on it when you're not around. Got one of these. You know, little AirTag. $25. Is this worth $25 to you? Is the peace of mind knowing that you'll always know where this is worth $25 to you? It should be. Let me show you what we're gonna do. It's pretty simple. I told you how much I love my blackout tint on my window. And let me tell you, I love my blackout tint on my window. It looks so good, and those windows are useless as tits on a bull. Right here. Bear spray. Yep. I've never used it, but it's always close by. Right here, behind here, Phillips screwdriver. Into the Phillips screw. Take the screw out. Save it. Squeeze on the back part of the rim and pull up, and this thing comes out. Right here is where I am going to mount my AirTag. I might put it over there. No, I'm gonna put it here. Let me show you how I'm gonna do it. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Gaff tape. If you don't have gaff tape, there will be a link in the description for you. Get your piece about 4 or 5 inches long. And go, and this is where I want to go. I want to go right there on the back. So the cup holder goes into the truck this way, screw goes down there. This is the back side of it. I want to be right there. Look at that. Right like that. Doesn't get much easier. Gaff tape. If you don't know what gaff tape is, it's the same as duct tape. Cloth, strong, reinforced. The sticky is very sticky, but it removes easily. Let me see if I can show you this. Without leaving a lot of residue or any residue. So you don't damage what you're putting it on, and it comes off easily. But it's super strong. Look, I could pick up this whole thing with just that much of the duct tape. But you can hear it wanting to come off. You can reuse it. Yeah, let me see you reuse duct tape. That ain't happening, is it? Film and video industry, Hollywood uses this. It's good shit. You should have some in your tape arsenal. If you're wondering why I changed my mind and I did not put the AirTag right there, it's because inside here it is ribbed for support and for her pleasure. So we're going in the back. Got plenty of room back there. Snaps down. You really don't even need the screw. And if you lose it, tighten it down to 15 inch-pounds. Put your bear spray back. and you're good to go. All right, man. I'm fully aware of how fortunate that I am to have a awesome garage to work in, to record videos in, and to park and lock up my FJ in at night. I know many of y'all are not as fortunate as I, and you are parking in your driveway, in the street, you're parking in unsecured locations. But occasionally, even Fester has to go get laid. And I can promise you, 90% of the time when that happens, the FJ's in someone's driveway, it's in the street, or the other 10% of the time, the FJ's parked up around the corner and in the street when their husbands are not home. I can't be seen there. For $25 now, my FJ is tagged and I feel much better, much more secure. And I know many of y'all don't have AirTags, but you've spent $25 on chemical guy's crap to protect your paint, but your FJ is not protected. And by protected, I mean prompt recovery when it is stolen or when it disappears. That's all I got for you, man. That's it. I'm out of here. See ya.